Good day guys, being here. Today let's model this. Okay, so similar to this. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a project. And so before we start, for a project like this one, usually there will be grids, and I'm going to just draw some reference plan to pretend that's grids. Okay, so now let's have a look at this. So from this, it's roughly, I guess that's about 3 to 4 meter wide, and it will be about 4 to 5 meters deep. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to draw some reference plans. So I'm going to just copy, maybe let's make it 3.6. Okay, so maybe hang on, 3.6, another 3.6. Yep. Okay, so let's do it. 3.6, and yeah, that should be enough. And then the other direction, so it will be 4.5, and another there will be a corridor or a walkway. I'll give it 1.5, oh sorry, 1.2 maybe, and another 4.5 deep. Okay, so another 4.5 meter deep. Okay, so now we're going to model one of this this box, this room here. So just WA. So I'm going to just use I'll just use this generic wall. Okay, so create. I'm going to use a wall center. Okay, wall center. Okay, so now let's go to 3D view. So you will see these walls are from a ground floor to 8 meters. So I'm going to use, so before that I'm going to set the level. I guess that's about 3.3 or 3.6. I'm just going to make it 3.3. Sorry, 3300. Okay, so this is level 1, ground level. So select all these walls and change the top constraint to level 1. Okay, so then let's add some glazing. So hang on, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, select these 3, Control C, and then modify, paste in same place. So okay, so go to wall type, change it to storefront, and once again edit type, check this automatically embed. So click OK. So now you will see all this curtain wall will cut the opening in these walls. And let's change the height. So top constraint from ground level 1 to change it to maybe 20. Let's just change it to 27. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we need to get rid of this horizontal mullion. So just go to edit type and change the horizontal grid to 27. So that's it. And also, if you need to adjust the mullion, so you see this big panel in the middle, smaller on the side, you can just tab to pick this grid, unpin, and maybe just type in a number. Once again, pick the grid. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to pick. Tab, yeah, this one, unpin, 900. Okay, and on the side it looks like a sliding door, but for now let's just, oh hell, it's not sliding door, it's a swing door in the middle. Anyway, so you can do the same, just to manually adjust this. So for example, I'll change this to maybe let's change it to 1.8 and change this to 1.8 700. Too small, maybe 1.7, and this one will be 1.7 as well. So now 100 in the middle. So yeah, you can use some curtain wall doors to replace this panel, but I'm not going to do it today. So let's continue. So let's pretend all the glazing is good, and then we need to model this. So looks like these are planter box, but the material match this one. So I'm going to just copy this wall 1 2 3, Control C, and I'll just paste a line to select level. I'll place it onto the level 1. Okay, so click OK. So now you will say just need to delete the curtain wall, and then these 3 walls, and I'm going to change them to 100 wall. But before that, I want to change the location line to finish exterior. So when I change to 100 wall, they will align to the external face of the wall below. Okay, so this way you can, so if you wanted to, you can join the wall. And then change the height of these 3 wall, maybe 1 meter high. Okay, and then let's go have a look again. So there will be a depth of this planter box. So maybe we can just offset, use OF, and I'll just make it 1200 should be okay. So 1200, 1200, and 1200. And also I want to double check, so I'll just go check the wall, this wall, make sure exterior size on this side. Okay, so just go to side plan, and if you select this wall, you will see this little these arrows. It means the exterior size are here on the left, but for this wall we need it to be on the right hand side. So I need to click on this, but before I click, I want to change the location line to either wall center or core center, because for this one, if I change to wall center and if I press space bar, and the wall won't move. Okay, if it's still on finished exterior, the wall will move when you press spacebar. Okay, so now we can I'm going to just draw another wall here. So I'll just copy this one maybe, or maybe split it, and I'll rotate it by 90 degree and align AL and trim TR. Do the same CC, trim TR, TR. So, and also join. Okay, so looks like, yeah, here, and just need to get rid of all these lines. Okay, so now we can place some floors. So first I'm going to create a floor. I'll just use some generic wall, generic floor. So use pick wall if you want, if you like, and I'm going to just tab select all these floor, and maybe I'll just switch to exterior face, and because these are generic wall, so it doesn't matter whether you check or not check, it will be the same. Okay, so finish this first floor, just escape, and I'm going to create another one, CS, and this one will be upper floor. So change the level to level 1, and once again pick, so you can pick these, it will be the same. Let's just pick the lower wall again, so switch to exterior, maybe interior. So yeah, interior is fine, and click OK and escape. So now we have another floor on the top, and then we just need to have maybe just create another floor. So CS create similar. So but this time I'm going to place it on 1 meter offset from the up level. So I'll pick this wall and just double check maybe interior side. So click OK, escape. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the level 1. Okay, so now these are planter box. So if you want to, you can create another. You can duplicate. You can edit type, duplicate type, and then give it a different material. Okay, so now we have this, and then we need to create this part. So extend this planter box. Okay, so let's just I'm going to go to the side plan because we have the reference lines here. Oh, sorry, reference planes. So then we can just copy this one to here, flip the side, and drag it down. CC another one. RO rotate 90 degree, and I'll just use this reference plane. Let me think. It will be 100 left of that. So I'm going to just align this and move this wall. Well, actually we don't need this wall because I'll expand later. But for now, I'm going to just do this, and I'll just make sure. So let's check the size of this planter box. Okay, so I'll pick the internal, so 1.1. So I'm going to double check this one as well. Okay, so let's just type in 1.1 meter and a trim TR, and let's have a look in 3D view. Okay, so now we can just trim this, and then just need to edit boundary of this planter box, and pick the wall finish. Okay, so yes, maybe we need this floor to be extended as well. Okay, so I'll just delete this one, trim, and make sure it's on the internal side. Okay, so finish, and what's next? Okay, so now let's go create the floor. So we will need this floor. Okay, so just simply we can go to the side plan again, select this floor. Sorry, this is level 1. Maybe we need to go to ground floor, so we can select this floor, edit boundary, and then just because this one's picked wall, it's better create a new one. If you drag this one, this sketch, this line is still linked to this wall, so sometimes it will get confusing. So it's better just delete it and pick. You can pick this reference plane. Okay, so now finish this floor, escape. Let's go to 3D view again. So this is the deck. Okay, so what's next? So we have this box, we have this deck, we have this planter box, and we need a walkway. Maybe we need to extend that the walkway as well. So maybe I'll just copy this by 1.2 meter. So we have this reference plane, and then select this floor, edit boundary, and pick here this reference line, trim, and delete this. So finish it, escape. So go 3D view. I think that's about almost, yeah, maybe this one. I'll just delete it and I'll just copy this one. So I think that's 3.6. Okay, so now it's good. Now we can select all of these and create a group. Okay, so let's create a group, and then let's go to ground floor. I'll select this group and I'll use AR array. So pick this reference line and to this reference line. I'll just finish this. I'll create two. Okay, so this, and we just need to check. So see, there's a little bit overlapping, but yeah, that's minor. And also here, we looks like we don't need this bit, so we can just go edit group, then click on this wall, delete it, and also we will need to delete a part of this wall. So what I'm going to do is I'll just let me check. Maybe I'll just copy this wall here and trim to this wall. Okay, and I'll delete this wall. Let's finish this and let's have a look. So all good. Yeah, we just need to adjust this floor. Okay, so let's go edit group again. Select this floor, edit boundary, AL line, pick this face and pick this line. Finish this and escape. Finish. So now the floor is matching. Okay. Yeah, and if you ask, oh, how about this? So you can just more. Let's just copy this one. Okay, you can just copy this wall. Just create a wall to fix this bit. Okay, so it will only be placed on here. It's not in the group, but all the rest will be fine. Maybe at the end you need to just place another wall to finish. So for these you can also use join. Okay, that's it. So see, it's a little bit overlapping, but you can still use join to fix it. So now if you select this one group and type in, so for example 5, and yeah, join the button do not intersect. That's okay, just click OK. And here you can just you can join them if you want to. Okay, and then so we finished this part. So now if we can let me check. It looks like it's offset a little bit, so it's not matching. That's okay. So now we can select everything here, Control C, and go to paste, allowing to select level, place them onto level 1, and click OK. Okay, so just click OK, and now we can go to side plan, and we still have all these the new blocks selected, so we can move them up, so from here to here. And if you need to offset, so for example we offset maybe 1.8 meter. Okay, so I'm drawing. So let's have a look in 3D views. And that's it. Yeah, this was let's just trim it back. Okay, so we can join them to fix all the line work. And yeah, I think that's quite okay. And then once again, if you need more levels, you can, let's go to from view. So currently we only have 2, so we can copy them up, make another 2 levels, and then, so for example, you can select all of them, Control C, and paste. This time I'm going to paste onto level 2, and OK. Okay. Oh, hang on. Click OK. Yeah, I think it's okay. So we just go to still have these new blocks, new groups selected, and then go to side plan, and then we can just move them from here to here. And also, if you wanted to offset, I'll just leave them. So it looks like okay. So interesting. So let's go have a look in 3D views, and that's it. And then of course, if you need to model the rooms underneath, you can just select one of them. Let's just HI, so you only show one of the block, this group, and edit group. So we can maybe let me think. I'm going to just model some wall. Okay, so WA. I'm going to use the 200 wall to match the existing one, and I'll use finish exterior. So to pick the exterior face here, oh sorry, I'll use a rectangle and pick this corner and go up like this. I'm not sure about the depths. Maybe I can't remember what the previous grid is, but I'll just hang on. Let me just go to side plan. I'll do a dimension here. So go. Maybe we can model it as 5.6. Let's just do it 5.7. So go back to the 3D view, select the floor, 5.7. So which will be maybe from center to center. So I'll select this one, 5.7. Okay, so and then I'll delete this wall. I don't think we need it. So oh hell, looks like the walls on the wrong side. Yeah, so maybe we need to flip them. So change this to center space. And now you can, and then I'll change them back to exterior. So just a quick tip. So when you select the wall, and you can just look at the finished face exterior, and then you will see this the point, the end point of this wall, where the end point of this wall is, and if the point is here, which means this side is the exterior of the wall. Just make sure you always place your walls properly. Okay, so because yeah, this is very important. So I'll finish this, and that's it. Yeah, don't worry too much about or the group or the warning, because we have a lot of group here and they are overlapping, so you will see all these warnings a lot. So but for this exercise, I think that's it. Maybe we need to fix we can extend this floor. So edit group, edit boundary of this floor, delete this sketch and pick the wall. Let's pick the wall at the back, and trim, finish, escape, finish. Just click on join. Okay. Yeah, you will see a lot of warning because we have all these wall overlapping. So oops, sorry. So you can maybe you can just edit group and delete some of the wall. So for example, delete this wall. So and yeah, it's better. And also looks like we need to fix the height of this wall as well. So edit group, select these two, and just change the top offset, finish. Yeah, I think yeah, there's still some minor. So see all the overlapping of the wall and floors, but I'll just ignore them. So that's it. So today we used just normal wall, floor, and group. We use group, array, and copy and paste in along to select level, so to place them into different level, so to create this not messing, but yeah, simple project. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.